So after all that work that we did on Wall Street, they've decided that they want us to delete this one. So we're going to click on it and delete it. And right now A1 should be active. We're going to look for a different picture to put in there. So we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to choose Online Pictures this time. And in the Bing search box, we are going to key in Stock Market Clip Art, and we'll press Enter. And what they would like us to select is the graph with the up arrow. And if you don't have that one, you can pick a different graph. There are several to select from, but that's the one they want. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that one. And this is a very large graphic. You'll notice that there is no background color. It's probably a ping image, PNG. Those images do not have background colors. So there's nothing for us to remove on this one, but we are obviously going to be doing some sizing changes and just a little bit of formatting to it. So we do want to be in our format ribbon, and we are going to adjust the size. For the height, we want 1.65. And so that makes it significantly smaller. And the next little change that we are going to make, we are going to have to open up the Properties pane or panel. So to do that, we're going to click on the dialog box launcher for size. Okay? And you can key in the height and the width here manually, just like we did up on the ribbon. There's also a properties section in here as well. So we're going to click on the arrow here to expand that. And they would like us to turn on Move and Size with Cells. So basically, if we change the size of the row, the image will also adjust. And the next thing they would like us to do is a little picture correction. So make sure your picture is still selected. And they would like to actually have a little less brightness in this. So we're going to have to come down here to picture correction options, because what they want is -25. I'm not sure that we have that exact setting. So we'll have to come in here. And for the picture brightness, you'll see there is a slider here. Let's go to -25. Now, if you can't get it exact, you can always key it in. And then for the contrast, they actually want that increased. So we need 45 in that. Okay, so -25 for brightness, 45 for contrast. And basically what contrast does, it just kind of sharpens the edges in the image to make them stand out. And at this point, we're done with formatting the picture, so we're going to close that. And then I'm going to position the picture in the right spot, because it really shouldn't be down here. It should be up here. And they want us to increase the row height to 126. So let me see. And if you can't get it exact by dragging, if it's close to 126, that's fine. But you should notice that the picture basically stayed with the size of the row. If I do this, it basically expands because we had turned on that previous option. If you remember, we turned on under Properties, Move and Size with Cells. So that is how it behaves when that property is turned on. Okay, and at this point, we are done with the picture, so we are going to save our changes.